guys, today we are diving into the world of style hacks. And if you have ever struggled to tuck your shirt, then keep watching because in this video I am going to show you 5 ways to tuck your shirt. And guys, see that you stick till the end of the video because the 5th hack is the best hack and that hack I like from all of the hacks. That's why I have kept it in the end. But before we jump into that, if you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe, like the video now only because it is going to be a very interesting video guys, and share it with your friends and family. And see that you remember to hit that bell icon so that you will get notification every time I release my new video, and like this you will never miss any of my videos. Alright then, let's get started. So guys, let's first start with the Yshape Gter shirt stays suspenders for men with non-slip locking clamps and adjustable belt strap. Now the way to use this Yshape Gter is the Y will clamp onto the shirt. Now as you guys can see, these are the non-slip locking clamps. They have a special grip. They are made of plastic. These are designed in such a way that they will not snap and not come out. So always buy a Gter with this type of clips. So what I always like to do is, even if it has the non-slip locking clamps, I fold the shirt like this so that the bite of the clamp is good and it will not snap. So the first clamp will clamp onto exactly on the side of the shirt where the shirt doesn't look nice if it comes out, and the other clamp I will clamp on slightly on the backward side of the shirt. Adjust this according to your need and according to your waist size. And the bottom clamp I will clamp onto my socks. So if you are using this Gter, it is a must that you should be wearing socks. Now I will try to jump a little bit to test this Gter so that you know what happens if you jump around with this Gter. So as you guys can see, even after jumping so much and raising my hands, the Gter pulls the shirt down again, which is a good thing. Now I will put a pant on top of this Gter and see how it looks. So I will try to move a little bit by wearing the pant, and as you guys can see, the Gter keeps the shirt in place. So that was the first one guys, Yshape Gter. Now let's move on to the second one. And the second one is 3-line Gter, which has 3 belts and it holds on to your thighs. Now you guys should have good thighs if you want to use this 3-line Gter. Now like always, I like to fold my shirt a little bit so that the clamps will get a good grip. Now since this Gter has 3 belts, the middle one goes exactly on the side, the front one goes on the front side of the shirt, and the third clamp clamps onto the back side of the shirt. Now you can put the clamps in any direction. If you want to clamp the back side first, you can clamp the back side first. If you want to clamp the front side first, you can clamp the front side first. So you can start in any direction. There is absolutely no rule in that. But I like to clamp the back one first because I have to pull the shirt in front to put that clamp. Again, adjust this according to your need and according to your preference. You can adjust these belts by taking these rings down like this to make it short so that it pulls your shirt down a little bit. So I put it this way. Now I will try to dance a little bit by wearing this 3-line Gter, and as you guys can see, it serves the purpose and you don't have to be wearing socks if you are using this type of a Gter. Again, use quality clamps Gter so that the clamps will not snap. So here I have put on the pant, and as you guys can see how it looks like after wearing the pant. I will try to dance a little bit and show you. And as you guys can see, this Gter also serves the purpose provided you have good thighs and you are using a quality Gter. So let's move on to the third one guys. And the third one is highly not recommendable actually, but it is this single belt which is going viral all over the internet at the moment. But it is a way to tuck your shirt. You just have to put the belt like this, then put the pant on. It is a very simple tuck, but when you try to dance and when you try to take your hands up, the belt will come up like this and it will be visible to everybody, which is the worst part. That was number 3. So let's move on to number 4. And number 4 is the normal military tuck. You don't need anything for this. You just have to do your normal military tuck where you fold the extra loose front side of the shirt to the back side like this and put the pant on. Now this will stay for some time and it will come out because it is not holding to anything. But still it works and it is very comfortable and you are not thinking of anything snapping or the belt being visible. And the last one is the best one, which I like and which I prefer doing. It is very comfortable and don't need any accessories at all. And the last one is tailoring your shirt according to your fit. So tailor the shirt exactly according to your waistline, according to your belly line, and you don't have to use anything to tuck your shirt. Just make it in shirt and you are good to go. And as you guys can see how good it looks like without using any accessories. So those were the 5 fantastic ways to tuck your shirt guys, which will help you to transform your outfit. So which technique was your favorite? Do let me know in the comments below so that I know which one people likes the most. So guys, with this, let me take the opportunity to wish you guys a very happy, prosperous and abundance new year, and let all your dreams come true in this fresh new year. And guys, if you found this video useful, see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.